so then they could still...
That's funny.
Because they leave space, like the lesson he did, he had the peer deck pulled up on the board, and then he was filling in notes on the screen.
Okay. All right. Let me record that. I'm recording now as we are speaking. So let's. I'm wondering if I were doing this right-handed. Of course, it won't be as neat, but maybe 2x plus, I think it's the angle I'm trying to do it at as a left-hander, minus 4 equals 18. It is, I just need to go minus 4, which gives me 2x equals 14 divided by 7 makes x equal, oh, oops, divided by 2. I was getting ahead of myself. See my math skills, people? X equals 7. Then I stop recording.